Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. I'm your name, and today we're tackling a super helpful trick for keeping your Mac mail inbox organized: mail categories. Tired of sifting through tons of emails to find what you need? Categories can be a real lifesaver. This short video is going to show you exactly how to turn them on and get them working for you. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe for more Mac and general tech tips and tricks. We drop new videos every week. Okay, let's get started. Mail categories, sometimes also known as smart mailboxes, allow you to automatically sort emails based on sender, subject, or other criteria. Think of it as a filter that works for you without you having to manually drag emails into folders. So, how do you actually enable these categories? It's pretty simple. First, open up your Mail app on your Mac. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on Mail. From the Mail drop-down menu, select Preferences. Or you can use the shortcut Command+. Okay, a new window should pop up. Look for and click on the Rules tab. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll likely see an empty window. Don't worry. Click on the Add Rule button. Here's where you define your category. Give your rule a descriptive name. For example, if you want to create a category for emails from your bank, you might name it Bank Statements or Finance. Now, in the section labeled, If any of the following conditions are met, you'll define the criteria for emails to be sorted into this category. Let's say you want to filter emails from your bank. You might choose from in the first drop-down menu, then Contains in the second, and then type your bank's email address in the text field. You can add multiple conditions by clicking the plus symbol button next to the condition. For example, you might also add a condition that the subject contains statement. This ensures only emails specifically related to statements get categorized. Next, under Then, perform the following actions. Choose Move Message from the first drop-down menu. In the second drop-down menu, choose New Mailbox. This will create a new mailbox specifically for your category. Give your new mailbox a name, again, something descriptive like Bank Statements. Then choose a location for the mailbox. The default on my Mac is usually fine, but you can choose a specific account if you prefer. Click OK. Alright. You've created your first rule. Click OK again to close the Rules Preferences window. Now, Mail will automatically apply this rule to incoming emails and move matching emails into your new Bank Statements mailbox, or whatever you named it. You can repeat these steps to create more categories for different senders, projects, or topics. The more categories you create, the more organized your inbox will become. To see your new mailboxes, look on the left-hand side of the Mail window. You should see them listed under On My Mac, or whichever location you chose. And that's it. You've successfully turned on and configured mail categories on your Mac. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to experiment with different rules and conditions to find what works best for you. It might take a little bit of tweaking, but trust me, it's worth it in the long run. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful Mac tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below what kind of categories you're planning to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.